Hello guys, in today's video we are going to see how to buy Bitcoin on Binance exchange. You know that you need to have an account on Binance. If you have no account, I have put a link on the description. Just click the link and you get a bonus. Just click the link on description and go direct to the Binance platform. When you come on Binance, first you need to sign up your account. You will sign up account, and when you sign up account, the next step you have to verify it. All these people see in the screen are people who already trading on this platform and are making millions of money by purchasing different coin in this platform. So in order to start trading or start purchasing any coin and deposit on this platform, first you have to verify your account. In order to verify account, this is to increase the security on your account, also to remove any restriction which may occur during withdrawal. So your account should be like this, should be seen like this. As you see here, you'll see verified account. This means that my account is already verified. So just click the link on the description and sign up your account, verify. After verify your account, now it is the time to start purchasing a coin or depositing Bitcoin on Binance platform. First of all, you have to go in your wallet here. You see your wallet. As you see here, this is my account. I opened today. It have a $0. Because it have a $0, now it's the time to deposit a Bitcoin in this account. So there's almost three method to deposit Bitcoin on this account. First, you have to deposit a crypto. You can buy. Let's start with this one. You can buy a Bitcoin. You can buy a Bitcoin to the people in P2P. P2P, this is a marketplace where people sell or buy Bitcoin. They just buy and sell a Bitcoin. In this marketplace, you can purchase a Bitcoin very fast and very simple, depending on your payment method. As you see here, so in order to buy Bitcoin, you have to come here and change here. Change a coin. As you see here, there is menu. Let's select Bitcoin. When you change a Bitcoin, you will see different people who sell the Bitcoin. Also, you have to filter for your payment method. Here, payment method. You have to select your payment method so that you can purchase Bitcoin from this seller, from different seller here. For example, this say payment method available. Bank transfer truque. Okay, let's find, for example, this payment method. I hope you will find your payment. This, for example, let's try anything. For example, you are living in India, you can use Paytm or Perfect Money. This one, let's try Perfect Money. When you click a Perfect Money, the system will filter all seller who use a Perfect Money. As you see here, this one is selling Bitcoin for this. When you see here, you will see the price of each one who said is a Bitcoin price. It was so, and a limit, selling limit. For example, you can see here, this started with the $100, and this started with the $30. This started with the $500. So you have to be careful when you purchase a coin, because every seller have it is selling limit. For example, this have $15. This is $100 limit. So for example, you want to purchase from this bud. Yes, you're just clicking buy a coin. Yes, I have some step to complete before starting purchase a coin. I have to enable SMS authentication. After clicking the buy, now the seller will respond to you, and you will send money to him, and the system will take it is Bitcoin and put it on system so that to release on your account. This process is very safe, and no one can scam you, but you have to make sure you buy a Bitcoin from this seller who are verified. As you see, tick this tick, yellow tick this. You have to purchase a Bitcoin from this verified user to make sure you don't get to the scammers. That is their first, and that is the one method. This is a P2P trading. Another method to deposit Bitcoin to Binance is the deposit. Click the deposit. This is the method of depositing Bitcoin directly from other exchange or from other wallet. If you have a Bitcoin somewhere, you can go and deposit here. For example, you can come here and search for, you want to deposit Bitcoin. Yes, yeah, you click the Bitcoin you want to deposit. Yes, you select that you want to deposit Bitcoin. Now it's the time to select for what? For the what? Choose network. Network is a system of transfer or transferring system or way to transfer your Bitcoin from your another exchange to Binance. So you can choose Bitcoin. It is very simple and cheap. Also, you can use Binance Smart Chain to transfer your Bitcoin from your wallet to Binance. For example, you can click here. Yeah, we select the Bitcoin network. After yes, you see here the deposit link is generated like this. This is the link to deposit Bitcoin to your account on Binance. So you have to copy this. Click here and copy it, and go to your another exchange. For example, if you have Bitru, for example, this is my Bitru account. This is, for example, if you have Bitcoin here on Bitru, you can come here on Bitru and transfer your Bitcoin from Bitru or another exchange to Binance. Click here. Yes, you see this is my portfolio. I have $0.11. Even if I already purchased some coin, but the price go down. For example, here you see many exchange. This is what be true. So now click on the assets. Click on the asset. Click on spot. And find for your Bitcoin. For example, Bitcoin. Yes, this is a Bitcoin. Yeah, because I have no any Bitcoin here. If you have any Bitcoin, you can go and you click withdraw. If you have a Bitcoin, withdraw, so that you want to withdraw it to your Binance account. Yes, you will ask it to select a network. You see, remember that we use a Bitcoin network. Click on network, you will see different network available. Oh my God, this exchange use only network Ethereum, but in Binance we use Bitcoin. In Binance we use the Bitcoin chain, so we have not to use Ethereum to send Bitcoin to Bitcoin chain, because we are going to lose our Bitcoin. Now we need to come back and find another chain. This chain is long. Let's select another chain. For example, this select what? Ethereum. Yes, Ethereum. This one is available in my exchange. This one is what available. So we click here and we take it as link, and we come here to Bitru and select the what? The Ethereum chain. Put here link, we copy it. Where's minimum? Do you see minimum withdraw from this? Minimum withdraw. I don't know what happened in this motherfucker. Minimum withdraw. Is this Bitcoin or normal? Is this no Bitcoin or what? I don't know what is this Bitcoin. Yeah, this thing is not real Bitcoin, man. Bitcoin. What happened? Wait, I don't see. Yes, after complete everything, this is not really Bitcoin. This is another Bitcoin, not normal Bitcoin. After complete here, and you will see the fees and click withdraw. After withdraw, after some time, you will see your account balance is reflecting and the number of Bitcoin increase. Yes, another method to deposit Bitcoin to your Binance wallet is buy with USDT. You can buy direct with the credit card. Let's see this method how it is. Buy direct with the credit card. This way is very safe. Let's wait for internet. My internet is very slow. Yeah, for example, this is how. What you will see on two sections. First section is the type of coin you want to buy. For example, here you will see a USDT. You can select another Bitcoin. Do you see? You see there is changed to Bitcoin. Now pay with it. This is a payment method. We are going to choose another payment method. For example, we use card. We use card. Yes. Now amount, for example, by using card, you see the amount down here. Now select this one, $. Yes. Now because we select a card, now it is a time to add a new card. Click and add a new card. This means when you fill up the card information and you are going to purchase the Bitcoin directly to your account. This is how you can deposit a Bitcoin to your Binance account. If you have no account or you have any question, you can contact me and I will help you to buy a Bitcoin to your Binance wallet. And if you have no account, remember that I put the link on the description. Make sure you sign up using my link because you're going to get some bonus on Binance. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you on next video. And this is Binance, and this is World of Cryptocurrency. Thank you.